Yo, 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 what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix Lil Durk vocals. All right, you want those vocals that sound like Durk? You want that sound? I'm going to show you exactly how to get it right now. All right, so I'm not going to overtalk it. Let's jump right into it. As always, man, if you don't have a template for recording in Logic or in Pro Tools, pick up my free template down below. It's going to completely change the way you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some really great music right away. All right, so check out that free template down below. Let's jump into the song. I'm going to play it back with nothing on the vocals, and then we'll start digging in. Let's get it.
No selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling.
All right, cool. So if you'll notice, the vocals already sound pretty great, and that's because I've already loaded in Instant Mix. I'm about to show you just how powerful Instant Mix is.
I'm getting richer with this broken soul. Niggas crashing out, I cannot take no more. Sometimes I think to myself, why I get so out of control. My girl that gone, I can't talk to him no more.
So we're gonna take those exact same vocals and drop them right into Instant Mix.
Getting richer with this broken soul. Too many niggas crashing out, I cannot take no more. Sometimes I think to myself, why I get so out of control. My girl that gone, I can't talk to him no more.
All we did was drag and drop in Instant Mix, the exact same settings. It's a completely different track. Look, man, pick up your copy today. You'll be able to mix your songs instantly. Let's get it. Peace. We're in Instant Mix. I'm just going to do that extra 10 to 15% to bring this song over the top and really give it that Durk sound. So first, let's control these vocals. I'm going to go down to the VMR for my lead bus channel. Let's load up a virtual mix rack. And we're just going to control the vocals with some de-essing and some compression. Simple. I also like to load up a channel emulation. So we'll go with the virtual channel. We're using the Brit 4K, which is the SSL emulation. Let's start with the de-esser.
No selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up shit. Poop no selling, tryna call your poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't poop no selling, tryna call your poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up poop no selling, tryna.
All right, cool. So just a little bit of controlling. The S's aren't crazy on this vocal, so we don't need to go too far with it. So that's good. Let's grab in the custom opto, and I'm going to see if we can get maybe 5 to 7 dB of gain reduction. Kind of see what sounds good on this vocal, but that's what I'm aiming for. So let's hear it.
No selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them.
Okay, perfect. That's already sounding better, a lot more tight, a lot more control. So one thing I noticed when I'm listening to Durk, his vocals are very bright, right? So there's a lot of the high end that cuts through. So let's see if we can kind of roll off some of the low end in this vocal and add some high end character to really give it that cut through and bite that you get from Durk's vocals.
No selling, tryna call your.
I'm going to go back to the VMR. I'm going to use the SSL EQ. I like the way that you can roll off on the lowest band of that one. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna load up the FGS right here on this low filter. I just overdo it and then I'll pull it back slowly until it sounds natural.
No selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my paw, put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling, tryna call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole.
Perfect. So that's really sounding good. I think we can add another compressor just to kind of tighten the vocal just a little bit more. So I'm going to add an 1176. And I think I want to use the regular 1176, the blackface. I like this one. It adds some low end character to me over the blue face, which adds more mid-range and high end. Since we rolled off so much low end, I want to see if we can bring some back without using an EQ. So we'll see what the compression does.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone.
I like the sound. I want to see if we can get more of that high-end bite. So I'm going to use the shimmer to try to add some saturation in the high end.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit.
That's what I was looking for.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling.
Another thing I noticed when I'm listening to Durk's vocals is a lot of times there's a quick slap echo right behind the lead vocal. So I'm going to see if we can emulate that now. We're going to go right here to this slap channel that I've already created, and let me go ahead and create a send to that channel from our lead bus. So we're going to use the slap. And for this, I think I'm just going to load up repeater. Keep it simple. All right, so we want this delay, this echo, to be really quick. So I'm going to start with 16th notes and keep the feedback pretty short. And the feedback for a delay is basically how many times it repeats the word. So the lower the feedback, the less times you'll hear it repeat, and the higher, the more you'll hear it. So let's see what we got.
No selling.
It will probably help if I sent some signal there. So that's what we're going to do. Let's send some of our lead vocal signal to this delay.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro.
The rule of thumb for me with effects, echoes, reverbs, that kind of thing is turn it up so you can barely hear it. Turn it up to where you can barely hear it, and then turn it back just a little, and that's usually perfect. So let's do that.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this.
So what you see me doing here, I'm adjusting the EQ of the echo. So I'm rolling off some of the low frequencies that we don't want to echo and bringing the high frequencies so we get more of the highs to echo out. That's all we're doing. I brought down the color. I just wanted to be super clean. So let's hear it one more time.
No selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I poop no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love.
And really, man, it's that simple. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't take a lot to get a really great vocal sound, especially if you're using instant mix. So look, that's all I got for you guys today, man. If you have any questions, you need anything, my email's down below, or really get in the comments, man. There's a lot of great discussion, a lot of great info being shared in the comments. So definitely jump down there as well. Remember, my name is Vivi. Stay humble and make diamonds only. Peace.
In the coupe, no selling. Try to call your phone, you ain't pick up, shit hit different. I swear this shit hit different. Oh, I keep my pole. Put them perkies down, I just love my bro. Bitch, I pour it till I feel it in my soul. He was screaming sweat, so we had to wipe his nose. Oh, God, can you watch over me? Damn, sing my nigga's name just like it's Jodeci.